Welcome to Fluent English Speaking. Choose the correct synonym of the highlighted word. He gave a very vague answer to the question. A. Clear. B. Exact. C. Unclear. D. Correct.
Synonym of vague is C. Unclear.
The movie was so hilarious that everyone laughed nonstop. A. Sad. B. Funny. C. Boring. D. Scary.
Synonym of hilarious is B. Funny.
I need to purchase some groceries today. A. Borrow. B. Steal. C. Buy. D. Return.
Synonym of purchase is C. Buy.
Her voice was soothing to the baby. A. Loud. B. Irritating. C. Calming. D. Fast.
Synonym of soothing is C. Calming.
The food was delicious and everyone enjoyed it. A. Horrible. B. Tasty. C. Burnt. D. Raw.
Synonym of delicious is B. Tasty.
He made a generous donation to the school. A. Small. B. Kind. C. Large. D. Rude.
Synonym of generous is C. Large.
They reached an agreement after a long discussion. A. Fight. B. Understanding. C. Mistake. D. Decision.
Synonym of agreement is B. Understanding.
His handwriting is neat and easy to read. A. Messy. B. Clean. C. Tiny. D. Quick.
Synonym of neat is B. Clean.
She was astonished by the news. A. Shocked. B. Bored. C. Sleepy. D. Unsure.
Synonym of astonished is A. Shocked.
The road was narrow and difficult to drive through. A. Wide. B. Thin. C. Crowded. D. Steep.
Synonym of narrow is B. Thin.
She is known for her bravery in difficult situations. A. Fear. B. Courage. C. Anger. D. Patience.
Synonym of bravery is B. Courage.
The child was weeping quietly in the corner. A. Sleeping. B. Laughing. C. Crying. D. Resting.
Synonym of weeping is C. Crying.
The weather was pleasant throughout the day. A. Stormy. B. comfortable. C. Freezing. D. Wet.
Synonym of pleasant is B. Comfortable, which closely relates in this context.
The news was alarming to everyone. A. Exciting. B. Relaxing. C. Frightening. D. Joyful.
Synonym of alarming is C. Frightening.
Please forgive him for his mistake. A. Punish. B. Ignore. C. Pardon. D. Blame.
Synonym of forgive is C. Pardon.
The manager was rude to the customer. A. Polite. B. Friendly. C. Impolite. D. Gentle.
Synonym of rude is C. Impolite.
I need to repair my broken phone. A. Destroy. B. Fix. C. Sell. D. Replace.
Synonym of repair is B. Fix.
They all felt exhausted after the long journey. A. Energetic. B. Tired. C. Worried. D. Relaxed.
Synonym of exhausted is B. Tired.
His story sounds very unbelievable. A. Boring. B. True. C. Fake. D. Incredible.
Synonym of unbelievable is D. Incredible.
The king ruled his people with justice. A. Kindness. B. Honesty. C. Fairness. D. Fear.
Synonym of justice is C. Fairness.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing to boost your English fluency. See you in the next quiz.